I'm Mike DiStallo, President and CEO of All Type Welding and Fabrication. The company's 31 years old. We currently are in a building that has 34,000 square feet. We are a short-run, custom sheet metal fabrication and welding business. We are a stainless and aluminum fabrication company. We also work with carbon metals. We also work with super alloy, Inconel, brass, bronze, and copper, but primarily the mainstay of our business would be stainless steel. The type of work we do is very diverse. It's custom, it's short-run production. The industries that we serve would be original equipment manufacturers, companies that do packaging, bottle filling, fenestration, military, aerospace. Most of the customers we deal with is they're giving us components or a build of equipment, and we're re-engineering or co-engineering with them to make it applicable and cost-effective, because what they're proposing isn't cost-effective, and sometimes you can't fabricate off of what their design is. I think primarily why customers come to our company is because of our customer service, our attention to detail, our accessibility to be able to be reached when we need to be. We're pretty well known in the industry as a shop that can do two things: deliver when it absolutely has to, and also we have a reputation for taking jobs that other companies fail on. I think that we're easy to work with. We always try to meet all of their demands and needs, and we also have the ability to make adjustments in our schedule on a daily basis to expedite parts on a very quick manner and outproduce our competitors, because we generally can turn parts that our competitors can't turn in the same time frame.